Restoring full access to your Wise account after security checks can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate through it. Step 1. Verify your identity. Start by gathering the necessary documents to verify your identity. This may include a government-issued ID, proof of address, or any other documents requested by Wise. Step 2. Log into your Wise account. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Follow security check instructions. Once logged in, carefully read and follow the instructions provided for the security checks. This may involve answering security questions or submitting the documents you gathered earlier. Step 4. Wait for review. After submitting your documents and completing the security checks, wait for Wise to review your information. This process can take a few hours to a few days, depending on their workload. Step 5. Confirm restoration of access. Once your account is reviewed, you will receive a notification from Wise regarding the status of your account access. If approved, log in to confirm that you have full access restored. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Wise account after completing the necessary security checks. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for further assistance.